Hello, everybody. How are you? I got some more Happy Mail. I got it a couple weeks ago, a little over a week ago, from CC, and she sent me some ground cherries. I am excited. I wanted these really bad. Thinking of you. Hey, lady, enjoy these seeds. Happy growing. Love CC. So I have pineapple ground cherries, and I'm going to put them in this grow bag in this area here. So let's see what we got in here. I don't know if it's too late to be planting them or what, but hopefully I got time. It's June, so we got a couple seeds in there. Good 10, 15. And I'm going to put them all in here. This soil comprises of what? Compost, uh, peat, peat humus, topsoil, and sand. And then I've mixed, what is that stuff? Ground coffee in there. Try and keep these bugs away. I don't know if that's going to work or not. Oh, these are so tiny. So I'm just going to disperse them throughout and see how many we can get to come up. They are very, very tiny. Oh my gosh. Let me show y'all the packet. Can y'all see that? Oh no, the sun ain't too good. The light isn't too good, but they're very tiny. So I'm putting them all in here, y'all. If I can get them out. Come on. Every last one of y'all. So one more in there, y'all. Static. We got static. Okay, that's all of them. So I'm just going to do like this to cover them and give them some good watering and pray that my ground cherries start growing. Then over here, those are my bell peppers, and they're the yellow and orange ones, and they've been eaten up by the bugs. I don't know if you can see that. I just got little pieces in here, little pieces. So I got some water and I got some more seeds, and I'm gonna soak these seeds. I got some green bell peppers, and I have some more yellow and orange. And I'm gonna put some in this water and soak them for a few hours. And I got mullein in that corner that I got from David Corey, but it ain't doing too good. Hopefully it'll come. I put some more seeds throughout here, but they haven't grown yet. So I'm gonna soak these seeds and plant some more bell peppers in there. Thanks for watching. See ya. CC's Texas Garden. I appreciate you, Cynthia. Wish me luck, girl. Wish me luck. I need ground cherries. I need ground cherries. Yes, yes, yes.